Hello everybody! Today we're gonna learn together to spell sandwich. S A N D W. Which one is next? Who knows which one is next? I. Now C. And the last one, which one is? Who knows which one is? H. And we spell sandwich. S A N D W I C H. Yummy sandwich. Who is hungry? Oh, this sandwich looks so yummy. Okay. Now let's see our reward surprise. What we have in here? Frozen Fashems. Ooh. This is the first time I'm opening one of these ones. I finally got my hands on one of these. Actually, two of these. Let's see what we have. Oh, this is super, super cute. Look at this. Look. Oh, oh. This looks so funny. Look. Hello, Olaf. These are so cute. Look at that. You can stretch his arms, even his hair. Ah, this is super cute. Look at this. Ah. Oh, little Olaf. Cute. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have now. Oh, I get so excited all the time that I can't open it. Oh, look at this. One more Olaf. Isn't it cute? Look at that. Oh, I'm telling you, these ones are so cute. They are so squeezy. Really cute. Well, we had two Olaf today, and we learned how to spell sandwich. I hope you have fun with me. See you soon.